So I recently got a Japanese typewriter, and it has what looks like AE double shots, similar to what you've got on the AK-1 here. These are two of them. These are two of the AKs, and here are two Alps double shots, just like for comparison. So I slapped them on here, and here's the original cap. What the fuck? What the fuck? The profile is practically the same. These are like not distinct caps. Why do they sound like shit? What the fuck? Here's an AE double shot, just like for comparison. What the fuck is wrong with these caps?